And that's how you add some serious light to any garage. This is how we do it. Check it out. It took me about 3 hours and 150 bucks to do these. 158 bucks. But the brand is kind of a funky name. But they're 8-footers. They've got 4 rows of lights in them, which is why I went with them. And they are perfect. I really, really like them. If you look inside of them, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of the LEDs. These put out 14,000 lumens a piece, and they're set for about 5,000 K. Oh yeah, they're really bright, holy cow. Yes, let's get started installing. First thing I'm gonna do is check every one of these, make sure they're all working, and go from there. I'd say that was a pretty easy build. It took me probably 2 hours to do that. The trickiest thing was hanging the lights up. Okay, so there's a joint where they come together, and you want to put your clips about 2 feet back from each end. Like there's another joint, so come back about 2 feet. Then you can clip it in one spot and then walk over and then clip it. One clip will hold those lights up. They don't weigh anything. And as always, I'll put a link to these lights. I am impressed with them. These have 4 lights. Most of the others only have 2. There's a lot more lumens coming out of these. The lights, it's not too harsh, I don't think. I could have gone a little brighter with the Kelvin scale, but it's right there between 5,000 to 6,000 Kelvin. These are great for shops, garages, anything like that, industrial purposes. I would say I'm pretty impressed with the lights we got here.